Hi everybody, here is Saima from Meros Khan Blogger, and today in this video tutorial I wanna show you how you can recover your removed YouTube channel. So at 15th of June I have received an email from YouTube that my channel have been removed from YouTube, and the reason that they have mentioned in their email is that I have violated their community guidelines. So before proceeding, first thing that I wanna say that first of all you have to read YouTube community guidelines, and here also in their mail they have mentioned what you can do next. There are two steps. First one is review YouTube's community guidelines. So in YouTube community guidelines, they don't allow any kind of content that have sensitive content, spam content, any other copyright infringements or content of someone that have already uploaded on YouTube. So if you have violated any of these things, or you are performed any community guidelines, then your channel will not recover from after appealing to YouTube. But in case if your content is 100% original and YouTube have mistakenly removed your YouTube channel from YouTube, then there is a second option, that is appeal. Here make sure that you fill in the appeal form as completely as possible, including your channel URL. So the thing that you have to do is simply click on this link, appeal here, open a link in new tab. I have already opened here. So what next thing you have to do is here your full name will go on, your email address. Here you can add similar email address or add any other email address at where you could, in case of any issue YouTube can contact you. And here URL of your suspended YouTube channel. So, so when you will receive an email from YouTube that your YouTube channel is removed, here the URL of that channel will also be mentioned. So simply copy this URL and place it here. And the last thing that is most important, is that please briefly explain why you think your channel was suspended in error. Be sure to review YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies before submitting your appeal. Please note, if your appeal involves one or more private videos, by submitting this request, you are explicitly giving permission for our reviewers to view our private video content. So simply you have to write this message. I will place it in the description of video. So if your content is 100% original, you can write this message to YouTube, and hopefully your channel will also be restored. So after fulfilling all desired details, you have to submit this one, and I will come back to my email. And here you can see that at 18th of June, I have received an email from YouTube community, and the response is that, hi time tag, we have reviewed your appeal for the following channel time tag. After taking another look, we can confirm that your channel doesn't violate our community guidelines. Thanks for your patience while we reviewed this appeal. Our goal is to make sure that content doesn't violate our community guideline, so that YouTube can be a safe place for all one. So here you can see that my channel have been restored perfectly, and they also told me that, and concluded that it is not in violation of our terms of service. Therefore we have unsuspended your account. This means your account is once again active and operational and in good standing. If you have forgotten your password, please visit this link to reset. So in this way you can also get back your removed YouTube channel. But this option will only work if your content is 100% original and you have not received any copyright claims or copyright strikes at your YouTube channel. Thank you.